Here we have two counters. Both counter will be controlled by individual input. So two counter, both counter controlled by individual input. First, so take a new rung and write another input bit XIO, and how many input I already used. Input 31, so its input name 32. Input underscore 32, and input 32. Right click and click on new tab, create a new tab and take a counter up, and first counter is completed. Both counter will be controlled by individual value. Counter 1, so counter 1 name is counter 1. Counter 1, and same copy and paste it. Second name, input number 33 and counter 2, and control W, also control W. We can define tag by control W or right click and new, create a new tab, also control W. So one step is completed. Okay, next is our requirement is if the counter is first value, requirement is if counter first value, sorry it is wrong, if counter first value is 10 and counter second value is 20. Okay, counter first value is 10 and counter second value is 20. Counter second value is 20. If both combination of counter value is 30, both combination counter value is 30, then LED will be on. So how it is possible? So it is possible with using add block. So click on compute mathematical, and before take a new run and select the add counter 1. If counter 1 value is 10, counter 1 and counter 2. So counter 1 and counter 2 value is 30. If the combination of counter value is 30, then LED will be on. So counter A accumulator value and counter B accumulator value, both counter accumulator value will be add. And if both counter accumulator value is equal to 30, add, right click, okay. If both counter value will be equal 30, then output will be 1. So take one output, energize. So our last LED value is 16. So LED number 17. This is LED number 17. And right click, create. So our program is ready. Let's check what will be happen. And before download, our requirement is verify controller. And open the software of Studio 5000 emulator. So click on communication, RSO. Who is active? So active is one Studio 5000 Logix emulate basic program. Click on download. Click on download. Communication timeout. So let's again check. Click on download. What will be error? What is the error? Controller is not correct mode. So I think controller is in. So let's check what will be happen. Why download not download of the program? So controller is fault mode. So anyway, when your controller Studio 5000 emulate has been go fault mode, so simply right click on the particular controller which is you are used and click on clear fault, or we can remove. So clear fault, right click, who active, and again click on download. So after compile, again click on communication and who active, select the hardware emulator and click on download. So let's check what will be happening again. Select download. So program is downloading linking routine structure test basic program main program. Finalizing download. So if that type of error anyway, that type of error when you have faced, so simply compile and again down select the communication path and download your program. But the program is select program remote mode to run mode. So what is our question is if counter 1 first value is 10 and the second counter value is 20. If combination of counter both value is 30, then LED will be on. So our both combination value is 30 when then LED will be on. So here if counter 1 value is 10, 1, 2, 3, so counter 1 value will be 10. Counter 1 value has been 10 and let's counter 2 start the counting. 1, 2, 3, 10, 7, 17 and 17. Total value is 17. Total value is 17. Value is continue adding. 12, next 13, next 14, next 15, next 16, next 17, next. Please we can observe easily our value is 28. Sorry, our value is counter 2, counter 1 value is already 10, counter 2 value is 20, preset value 20 and accumulator value 18. So when counter 1 and counter 2 both counter values add 28. So counter 28 and you can see 29, 30. When both counter value, first counter is 10, second counter is 20, so both value is add 30 and when 30 is reached then output will be on. So our first problem has been solved based on problem based on counter its problem based on equal block and add block. Second